Happy birthday. Okay, wish anay.
Message.
Asa pa? Sige, huy, pa.
Sige,
Tutubig
yung
pa.
pagkawod. I don't know what to say. I'm very much thankful tonight that we are all gathered for my husband's 60th birthday. This is a simple birthday. I am very much blessed that I have this guy. Because you know what? Every day we have vitamin F5. But if you always do that, the more your relationship will be stronger. Do you believe that?
Yeah!
All I can say, I am blessed. I have my kids. I have my friends. I have my sisters. Everybody's here for us. Thank you so much. And happy birthday to my only to my only one husband. I love you.
Yes. Okay, pa, happy birthday. Maganda yung birthday to them. We are always fighting every day. Every hour, every minute. Oh. Pero,
Amo natin na pa rin.
doon nila pinapalabas yung love nila sa isa't isa. Every day. Tsaka, salamat pa, Hatanan. Pasalamat ako, ani na pa Canada, sa akong pamilya. Blessing para ano na tanan. Happy birthday pa. Love you. Thank you.
Hi.
Brother. Brother, kupag ka ba?
The most handsome. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. I know that kuwan ba ka ng Bisaya na lang. I know that we are not the perfect children, you know. We're kind of like stubborn sometimes. I know our family is not perfect, but still, we're like here, stick together still. And yeah. Happy birthday pa. Ite-text ko na lang iba. Ite-text ko na lang yung iba. Kasi mga 2 pages siguro yung inanda ko, pero hindi ko nadala. Yeah, pa, happy birthday. I hope na you enjoy your birthday. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Thank you very much.
And of course, the youngest of the family.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kubal ka ba, boss? Thank you everyone for coming here. I really appreciate that you guys are here. And especially to my dad, happy birthday. More birthday to comes, and just thank you for everything. Wish you more good health, and happy birthday. Thank you.
Okay, and of course, a message from our birthday celebrant.
All I can say is thank you very much for coming to my birthday. Pero yung birthday ko, hindi pa sa ngayon, sa 28 pa. In advance lang kasi, depende sa, sa mga schedule, yung mga off nila. Ang masasabi ko, thank you very much. Pero, mayroon akong
Request?
Hindi naman yung mayroong papasalamatan akong mga tao na na tumulong sa amin dito. Especially to Badet and to Body and to Ems. Tapos si Kabilin family, De La Paz family, Minda. Tapos yung mga guwapo kong mga anak, si Chris, si Ken, at saka si Ton. And most especially to my one and only Susan. Thank you very much for coming, everyone.
Thank you for inviting us.